Listen to the sound of the birds, the most beautiful sound you ever heard. You'll be feeling so right well on into the night when you listen to the sounds of the birds. Now listen to the sound of the sea. It's the one thing that allows us to be. You'll be feeling so right well on into the night when you listen to the sound of the sea. You gotta listen, listen. Hear those incredible sounds. Listen, take the time and listen. Listen to these wonderful sounds. Listen to the sound of the trees and the crackling sound of the leaves. You'll be feeling so right well on into the night when you listen to the sound of the trees. You know I'm listening to what you have to say, so tell me what you're feeling today. You'll be feeling so right well on into the night, 'cause I'm listening to what you have to say. You gotta listen, listen. Hear those incredible sounds. Listen, take the time and listen. Listen to these wonderful sounds. So listen to the voice from within. When you feel it in your heart, you're gonna win. You'll be feeling so right well into the night when you listen to the voice from within. You gotta listen, listen. Hear those magical sounds. Listen, take the time and listen. Hear those wonderful, hear those glorious, hear those incredible sounds. Listen to the sound of the birds. Listen to the sound of the sea. Listen to the sound of the trees. Listen to you and me. Listen to the sound of your soul.